Well, hello there my friends, and welcome back to Queenie of London. Thank you so much for popping by the channel today. I hope you're all doing really well. It's lovely to see you. Welcome back to Chelsea, from one Chelsea video from Chelsea in Bloom to another for the start of Summer on the Square, which this year is very special. Friends, it is a Ralph Lauren takeover of Sloane Square to mark the season of tennis here in London. It's going to be the start of Wimbledon very soon, I believe on the 29th of June, and to celebrate good old Ralph, who did a brilliant thing up here at Christmas time. You can just see Ralph's over there, the most beautiful building on Sloane Square on the corner there. Did a beautiful takeover at Christmas, which I love him for, and he's done it again for the start of summer. Just look at this incredible teddy, one of the Ralph Lauren Polo teddy bears. This is one of a couple, I believe, special installations made out of like the sort of like the turf, like inspired by the Wimbledon lawns, and he's got his own Ralph Lauren ice cream, which we can actually get for ourselves from the beautiful little cafe. There's loads of photo moments happening here, but I love the bear with his good old ice cream. That is my size of tub. Everything looking absolutely beautiful because it's a very blue skied sunny Friday here in Chelsea. Everybody's out and about enjoying what's going on. I'm going to give you a whole tour of everything good old Ralph has done up here on the square. I've come a bit closer to our beautiful bear here, who I'm absolutely loving the shades of. I believe there's some special Ralph shades that we can buy for the tennis season, and he's got his beautiful jersey on there with his crossed tennis rackets. I'm just really loving that. I think that's quite incredible, don't you? I love it. Once again with Ralph, I always want to keep these things that he puts up here at Sloane Square. There are absolutely loads of places to sit, to have a beautiful cup of Ralph's coffee, a Pimm's, some strawberries and cream, obviously, and some ice cream. And as you can see over there, we've got a little RL club shop, which looks exciting. So I think we should go and have a little look at the merch. There is loads of the sportswear behind the counter there. I'm actually going to see if they've got like some nice mugs or something like that somewhere else, but this is all your clothing that's for sale here. They've got some Wimbledon t-shirts. I'm just sneaking a closer peek at the goods, what they've got in here. I really like the sweatshirt. Can you see that? And look at the bag, the sports bag. My brother would absolutely love that for gym. Let me see if I can sneak a closer little peek. Look, so nice. Check it out. And everybody's so well dressed at Ralph Lauren. I love the bags. I really hope you can see, because the glorious sunshine is right in my eyes, and what I'm filming is absolutely anybody's guess. But we've beautiful florals here. I'm just opposite the start of Sloane Street, and they have these little umpire stalls, which is fantastic. I can just envisage the nice salespeople from Ralph Lauren all donned rather lovely, and all the polo get-up sitting on these during a match. How fantastic. And then I believe if you follow it through, there's another two, like looking down to Lower Sloane and to the actual Ralph Lauren shop. Can you make those out? How fantastic. Just spotted a menu that we'll go and have a look at. And this is what's going on here by the fountain. There's a little stall here, which I think is for the ice cream. Let's have a little look at this. Ralph Lauren, the journey to Wimbledon starts at Sloane Square. Look at that. And then there's another poster that I'm going to go and have a read of, because all what's going to go on is written on these posters, and you can come up here to actually watch a match, which is lovely. I believe I'll show you that actually, because I've just spotted it. Over there you will have some big screens, and you can come and sit down and watch a match, which will be fun. There's your other two umpire seats. I love this, so much fun. And then here, I've read about this and I'm so excited. I'm going to come up here tomorrow and see the Pup Parade, which is sponsored by Ralph and Pet Pavilion, which is our one of our pet shops here in Chelsea. They always do a beautiful little dog show, and whenever we have an event in Chelsea, all the pups come on parade. So it's really, really nice that they're going to be up here at Sloane Square for the opening of Ralph's Summer on the Square for Wimbledon too. That will be absolutely lovely. I'll give you that. I'll film a little bit of that tomorrow when I come and see it and pop it in next week's video. But let me just twist you round. We'll go and have a look at the menu of what we can buy to eat and drink. This menu all looks like a bit of me. It's literally everything I want in the summertime. When I'm up here at Sloane Square. Sounds absolutely lovely. Also, we can have the coffees, you know, for in the mornings when we're dashing to the underground and we can't stop. But look at all the lovely stuff going on. The cloudy lemonade, I had some of that at Chelsea and Bloom from Ralph's little cart by his shop. That is so gorgeous and fresh. There's a strawberry spritz, which sounds lovely as well. Obviously, you can have Pimm's, but for not much more, you can have some Lancel, so that's tempting. Then you can do this create your own soft serve ice cream. You can add your topping, your sauce and your flavour. Look, it says choose your base, choose your topping, choose your sauce, and it's all put together nicely with a Polo Bear wafer. How amazing does that sound? You've got an affogato, you know, the ice cream with espresso, and courtside favourites, strawberries and cream. Oh, my heart, I can never say no to the strawberries and cream. Homemade ice lollies, which sound amazing, and a chocolate chip cookie. And there's a little bear who'll be serving it to us. So what do you think I should get, friends? It's all very well organised. You've got different hatches for everything. So here's a hatch for the ice cream. And for everything else, you order here, which is the main queue, and then go to the little pickup hatch here. Love this, it's so retro. And will you just look at the queue already for the goodies? So I got myself a Ralph Lauren Pimm's with all the good stuff in. Look at that. It's a good size one too. And you know, I had to test it out for you to make sure it was okay if you come up here to watch the tennis. But it's so busy. I think I might have to take a pew on one of the umpire seats and preside over everything that's going on. Because there's no chairs left for me to have my Pimm's. I will hunt one out. Maybe buy the teddy with the ice cream. Look how lovely their uniforms are. It looks so Italian-y and lovely. Look how wonderful. They're so friendly in there. Really chipper and dapper. I seriously love the logo for the actual coffee. Like I think our first one here was on Bond Street, wasn't it? But we always have I think Ralph should make it permanent on here on Sloane Square, to be honest. And there's some merch here, and I can see the little mugs there's a tennis bear, a football bear, and the cafe bear, and he's got some travelling tumblers. I'm obviously going to pick up one of these little newspapers, which I always love taking when Ralph does these for us to have a look at. I've got a Ralph Lauren book at home by Rizzoli Press, and it is so gorgeous. I'll show you it actually because it's just stunning. All his homeware and everything. You can stand here and have a lovely picture taken by the logo for Wimbledon. If you guys remember on my channel last year, was it last year or maybe the year before, I went to Wimbledon on a finals day and showed you how the area Wimbledon Village was decorated for Wimbledon, and where everybody goes to sit in Wimbledon that isn't on Wimbledon Hill or in the actual centre court. But now it's really nice to see that we've got somewhere here in Chelsea to have a proper get together and watch the tennis, which we can do. You'll probably see all like the rigging and everything for the lighting and some sound, so you'll be able to hear it wherever you are on the square. I'm right here by where we're going to have the screenings, and they have the little QR there if you want to give it a scan, but it's all done absolutely lovely. I mean, there's all beautiful white and cream flowers about, and we've got this, like, I'm going to call it the little pavilion. It's like the the RL clubhouse, and inside there will be a screen and some beautiful seating so that you can watch undercover, of course, because you know it's unpredictable. I absolutely think this is so darling, and I believe I read something about some flower like bouquet making. Look at this, florist in residence. complete your summer tablescape. I wouldn't mind if it looked like that. Look at those blue hydrangeas. So coastal and pretty. My mum will absolutely love that little display. Can I just buy that? So beautiful. And then what have we got over here? Look at those. It looks dreamy. Love all these florals. It just looks lovely. Let me step back to get you a better view. Look how nice that looks. Peter Jones in the background, golden hour now. I finished work not long ago and I didn't go home. I just wanted to show you this so much because I saw it on my way to work this morning and I got so excited. Look how smart that lady looks that works for Ralph Lauren. Absolutely stunning. I love it. And we've got all his... Where can I get one of the umbrellas? For my balcony. Absolutely lovely with Ralph Lauren on. Everybody having such a lovely evening here in Chelsea. It's just the absolute best when things like this happen. It comes to life. Nice summer evenings. It's very, very cosmopolitan and lovely. And look, I think I see something else for us to look. So the very kind lady just told me that when a game is not on, a match, I got World Cup on the brain, you can go in there and you can book sessions to do flower arranging to create your perfect tablescape. So that's very, very lovely and the perfect summer activity. I just really love seeing these little huts. I think they're so lovely. I feel like I'm kind of in the Hamptons. This is how I imagine the Hamptons. I know that Ralph has a house in the Hamptons and I'm forever dreaming because they're beautiful, but it's all beachy and coastal and just lovely. It's so nicely done. You did think there was only the one bear, did you? Look at this guy right at the top of the King's Road. He's looking down. Look, he's looking down. He's presiding over what everybody's wearing. Look how wonderful he is. I think he's fantastic. He's got his giant tennis racket and he's very well attired with the sweater tied around the shoulders and his Ralph Lauren eyewear. Look at that. Just brilliant. I love the turf effect. Do you? Ralph must know that I love a sign and a little bit of a story. He's got a little plaque here and it says, "The Polo Bear reimagined at a monumental scale. The Polo Bear celebrates the partnership between Ralph Lauren and Wimbledon, honouring a shared legacy of heritage, sportsmanship and timeless style. After all, a gentleman always knows how to make an entrance." Just a little bit of information for you. If you're popping up here to Chelsea, please do come and see us and say hello. The little hut serving the food and the drinks, all the good stuff, is open till 8, I believe, and the merch stands and the RL Club shop are open until 7, although it's a little bit past that now, so I think that's flexible. This is all going to look so lovely when the fairy lights can be seen a bit more at dusk and the lights come on that they've scattered all around to show the seating and everything. It's going to look lovely. I'm sure I'll bring you guys up here with me again before the summer is out. So proceeds to Ralph Lauren's Wimbledon up at Sloane Square go to the Royal Marsden Hospital here in Chelsea, as he's done before, which is absolutely lovely. So I make that game, set and match to Ralph Lauren. So friends, I can confirm that the Pimm's was delicious. I'll be back up here tomorrow for the puppy show and to test out the strawberries and cream, and I'm sure my friend will have some ice cream, so we'll let you know how that goes down too. Thank you so much for checking out this little video on Ralph Lauren's takeover for Wimbledon at Sloane Square. I hope you have a great time if you pop down here and have a little enjoy for yourselves. Make sure you hit your little notification bell for lots more videos coming up on London in the sunshine, London under the perfect blue skies, coming up on the channel later this month and into the next. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Loads of love from Chelsea, Queenie. Mwah.